I found it. It's this right here. I'm gonna get two. I'm trying to learn myself. So I'm gonna stick it like under something in his car.
That shit crack.
Hoes ain't fucking with Barbie. Tay did my pink Bob Marley. I got a whole army and Charlie. Pull up with a killer, he the Joker, I'm Harley. Miss Unchunky probably.
What's up, Easy Nation? It's your girl tonight, and I'm back with another lit y'all today. I'm gonna be pranking your boy Brian. But before I let y'all know what's going on in today's video, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you can know every time you people post a video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you for returning. But y'all, let me tell y'all what I'm finna do to that boy. I gotta hold my phone like this, y'all, cause the little thing in his car. So I'm on the way to Five and Below, y'all. I'm finna get like it's a pad, like and it make cricket noises. And what I'm gonna do is, when he get home, I'm gonna be like, I'm getting some out this car, y'all. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna go get some out the car. But in the meantime, he probably doing something. I'm gonna get his keys to the other car, and I'm gonna put the cricket things under the seat. And I'm like, you hear that? What's that noise? Cause y'all supposed to be going to Walmart and stuff when he get off. I'm like, you hear that? What's that noise, man? You hear that? What is that? You need to go take this car back. That's how I'm gonna be, y'all. So hopefully, it go through, But I'm gonna get with y'all when I get to Five and Below, y'all. Cause I don't need to be holding this phone, not paying attention to y'all. Cause I need to buy me a thing for this car, but we're giving this car up. So I might as well not. I might as well keep it in the other car, cause I'm gonna be driving that too, period. And I can't wait to get mine. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get with y'all when I get to Five and Below. So I made it to Five and Below. Y'all can't see it, cause there you go. I'm gonna let y'all see when I walk in. Yeah, so I found it. It's this right here. I'm gonna get two, like, just to see how it works. Okay, y'all, let me fix y'all, cause I don't have the thing. So I brought two just in case, cause I don't know how it works. So I'm gonna test this one out first. Let's see how this works. Hopefully it don't have no bug in it. Okay, so what you do? Look, y'all, I'm trying to learn myself. So I'm gonna stick it like under something in his car, and it's gonna make a noise like this. Let me see. Be like, babe, you hear that? What the hell? Yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. Yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna work, y'all. It's doing it by itself. I'm trying to hear it. Hold on, let me see if y'all can. Come on. Like, Brian, what is that noise? You need to take this car back. Babe, you hear it? Yeah, y'all, because this the thing, y'all. He ain't gonna know I went in his car when he get home. He ain't gonna know. Once I put it on the seat, he be like, I don't know what that is. We need to go woo woo. I'm gonna be like this. Gotcha. Stupid ass. Yeah, I think this gonna work. This is one of my pranks, so it's gonna be a banger. Y'all better. I'm telling y'all, better be teams and I around this mud. Yeah, your girl gonna get that boy. I'm gonna put one. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put two to make it louder. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me open the other one, cause I don't want it too much to stick on his stuff, cause it's car new. So I gotta hurry up. My shirt big. I'm outside, y'all. It's right here under there, y'all. I might just put on one. I'm gonna put one. It's right there.
Yeah.
You still taking him out?
Just gonna say.
Yeah, I had previously taken so now I'm taking the braids out. It's too much.
You look more care.
YouTube.
Ooh, y'all show me on there like that.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all on the blog.
Yeah. What is on? Oh, this
Sound like
shit.
crickets. Get it? Yeah, but I just got off some.
Y'all.
I'm gonna get a little couple of stuff.
Alright, what y'all cooking today or something?
Yeah, we cooking what you need.
What?
Them loaded steak bites.
Man, I hear crickets like them bitches in the cars.
That's not no car.
Shit, man.
It do sound like it though. Real shit, it do. It do, Markia. Listen.
It's like he went away.
It's probably because we over here though.
The hell?
You hear? Hey, what if that's your car?
Shit.
You gonna bring it back? You gonna bring it back?
It's like maybe on the Bluetooth or something.
That's a good time. Anyways, y'all. Wonder if y'all here, but we do. Might be Brian call y'all.
Shit, a cricket probably do jump in
I know that ain't the new whip. I'm like cricket.
the bit. Cricket probably jump in this bitch for real. I work at a warehouse with all that dust and all that shit.
Well, you need to see when we get the water.
But I'm gonna call you when we get back in the house, okay?
Alright.
Yeah, we on the way to Walmart. You work on dust?
Like the park.
Your door was open?
But I opened it to get
You heard it on the way home?
I'm just not here.
You had music? I did. You need to see that shit. Dave, what if a cricket in your car?
I'm gonna kill this shit.
Okay, y'all, so we on the way to Walmart. We gonna see y'all when we get there. And yeah. Basically, Brian getting some stuff from Walmart. He getting, what you gonna tell me? He getting mustard shirt.
Some pants.
New pants with the sweat thing.
Water bottle.
The cans. I told him to get that yesterday. But y'all, this shirt big, don't mind it. But y'all love our background, huh? We gonna see y'all when we get in Walmart, cause we need to see that noise coming from back. What be interesting is like if you know how it could be a vlog and be like found a cricket in Bronco. It could be like the new one. What you think? Bronco president, Bronco? He tired, y'all. He gives no energy. You need to see that noise. Let's see if I can find it.
Cricket, man. I can turn my car off and see if I still hear it.
What, the cricket noise? I don't know what it is.
My twin car behind me.
But I know it's aggravating you. He aggravating you? Look under your seat. Stop.
They parked over, man. I'm just trying to make sure, man.
Turn the car over.
That's it. I need to check your shoes.
I checked these just now. I ain't need them. Look on my side. Go on that side and look.
You really doing a prank, man.
Man, look though. Yo, he was going for it till I fucking laugh, y'all. Hey, look. Look and see what it is. Look under the mat. Oh, I hit the big car.
That's crazy. I knew I was tripping. Then my kid time.
Babe. Y'all, he fell for it. I got him this time, y'all. He was finna look all in the truck. All in his shoes. You fell for it?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I swear I thought
God,
cookies.
fuck it. That's why my mama texted me. Anyways, y'all, it hit. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. It was really this though. They know, y'all know. This a fake ball though.
Yeah. She had a whole cricket thing.
It worked. He look, Markel, look. He looked all in the trunk in his shoes.
What you say?
He looked all in his shoes, his work shoes. He was gonna look in the trunk. He turned the car off and said, I said, man, I ain't gonna lie, that door's kind of aggravating. Yeah, it's aggravating. Anyways, y'all, your girl got your boy back. I ain't done with him. I'm not done with him. But anyways, before we end this video, you gotta say Teams and I, because I got that one.
Yeah, Teams and I, she got that one, but I got one better.
Coming back, y'all. Anyways.
We finna do all the wild more shit.
Yeah. Before I end this video, I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and post notification bell so you know every time you get people post. And I'm out.